Hello, good evening. Hope I am audible. This is Group 12. Me, Alok Dwivedi, along with my friends Pragya, Samiksha, and Pravesh, are going to present the very burning topic, we should say, related to IoT. In this particular walkthrough, we are going to see that how what challenges industry leaders basically and incumbents faced when they want to become from ecosystem orchestrator for an IoT business or IoT streamline. So without further delay, let's start. So first, we are going to discuss challenges and opportunities the business leader face, basically, or the firms face to have initiatives in IoT. So as we know that IoT stands for Internet of Things, and it is quickly shifting business value creation from selling traditional products to marketing smart products, basically. This happens because digital services basically are getting integrated together with platforms, IoT platforms, and which resulted into a race of technology leadership. The main part of this initiative is to create an ecosystem. Basically, an ecosystem is a collection of software and hardware resources. IoT platform creates value by exploiting the generic capabilities in devices, connectivity, data security, and application management. The value creation, it also do the value creation, the which is basically the process, and a process which is having the main activities of the collaborating ecosystems to integrate resources into IoT platforms. These are the generic terms basically which are generally referred to as the value co-creation. To benefit from an IoT platform business model, industry incumbents must also learn how to establish their IoT ecosystem and orchestrate third-party providers and vendors to value co-creation by mastering the three dimensions approach, basically, or the three dimensions more specifically. These dimensions are platform, ecosystem, and value co-creation. So, talking about the dimension. For successful IoT platform ecosystem, industry operator must develop the orchestration capabilities that will enable them to benefit from value co-creation. Organization that seeks to become successful orchestrator need to consider the three-dimension IoT platform, which is owned and controlled by platform owner, which takes on the role of ecosystem orchestrator, and the main challenges of managing the diversity of the hardware and software on the IoT platform to ensure these elements can connect with the heterogeneous industrial asset. That means the different type of industrial, components basically the companies are using. On the ecosystem dimension, customers and the third-party providers, individuals and business, including OEMs, which is open equipment manufacturers, and systems integrators, device manufacturer, and software developers. The value co-creation dimension also refers to the collaborative activities between the ecosystem partners to generate customer value, a specific customer value, such as enterprise IoT solutions that are integrated, reliable, and secure. So the business opportunity basically IoT brings, or what type of business opportunity it brings is telecom operator like Corp in this particular case study are in a good position to extend their value proposition from just providing connectivity to offering the IoT platforms and associated digital services. Given that IoT applications provide connectivity between the physical device and the scalable backend IT systems, telecom operator have a strong competitive edge. Hence, reliable and secure connectivity is a very big challenge. Value co-creation. These are the words of the business head of the firms which is there in the case study, Telco Corporation. Uh, we try to save margins by diving deeper into the customer's business. Here we need to focus customer's business basically, not the routine business, but it's customers own their business, customers customer business, and learning more about their industries. So we do not just equip them with mobile connectivity services, that is the legacy product offering, but also connect their assets. Hence, we decide to become a data as a service company that by leveraging this innovation. Now, further challenges, I will hand over to Pravesh. Pravesh, if you can please take it up forward from here.
Thank you, Alok, and very well explained. So when we see the complete ecosystem, not for the only telco corp, for the whole as an ecosystem, there are the two major challenges usually corporate face. That is the first one is the network challenges, and the second one is the digital and physical resources challenges. So when we talk about the network challenges, those are basically the infrastructure of ICT that lower the entry barriers for the realizing the IoT use cases. So establishing this ICT infrastructure is again a challenge to maximize the usage of this IoT technology, right? And the
Correct.
second challenge, if we talk about, that is the digital and physical resources. This is basically valid for any industry, which whoever is going to work or whoever is planning to work for the IoT industry or IoT technology utilization, right? So for that, when we talk about the resources, professionally manage its IoT network and connected IoT devices. For example, those NFC tags or those Raspberry Pi chips. Those are the some example of these physical resources challenges. These resources always connect the devices, manage the data, and operate the applications. So these are the major challenges always faced by these telecom and corporation.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. Yeah, Pragya, can you please take the next slide?
Pragya, you are on mute actually.
Yeah, I think you are on mute. You are not. We are not able to hear you.
Okay, so coming to the challenges which telecom faced in transition from traditional supply hierarchies to building an IoT ecosystem. These are customer centricity and partner management. Customer centricity mainly based on deciding whether to focus on building the demand or supply side of the ecosystem first. These decided to leverage its existing mobile telecoms customer base to deepen relationships and expand its business into assets connectivity. It's about the dependence telecom operated with open technologies like providing operating data access and supporting standard integration methods. This approach helped reduce perceived risk for customers and attracted partners to the ecosystem. Then second, the partner management challenges. These are the basically govern the ecosystem by defining and enforcing new rules to mitigate competitive tensions among partners and establish trust. These address these challenges by introducing the role of ecosystem managers to establish clear governance and performance based goals for ecosystem partners. Um, Now, Samiksha will take over from here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, coming to the third challenge from value delivery to value co-creation. Telco Corp transitioned from providing IoT connectivity to orchestrating ecosystem partners for co-created businesses value between 2015 to 20, overcoming challenges in IoT value creation. Now the challenges that telco was facing with the value co-creator was it included understanding diverse use cases and technology needs, addressed through a fail fast, learn fast mindset and co-innovation workshops. Coordination hurdles were tackled by evolving into an ecosystem orchestrator, ensuring alignment among partners for value delivery. For instance, in a smart heating use case, Telcorp coordinated various partners for hardware and software solutions, facilitating seamless integration. Such strategies helped the company to navigate various complexities and establish itself as a leader in IoT world through collaboration and innovation. Okay, coming to the other challenge was the business value challenge. So the company navigated challenges in scaling the IoT structure, focusing on proving business value and transitioning to pay-per-use model. So basically, they use an agile approach, early testing and bulk orders to lower cost and increase their profit. While it was very risky, co-financing projects with partners basically helped their ecosystem with a very fast growth. Balancing standard and custom solution, the company fostered industry-specific innovations within a scalable framework, promoting broader IoT adoption across the sectors. Now, despite internal faults favoring traditional models, the company embraced roles like IoT project partners, showcasing a commitment to evolving business strategies. This approach facilitated economies of scale, promoting reuse and adoption of IoT solutions across various industries for sustained business value.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Let me stop the recording.
Thank you guys for helping me. Special thank to Alok.
And yeah, thanks.